Everyone says soaking chia seeds makes them healthier, but here's what they don't tell you. Soaked the wrong way, these tiny seeds can spike your blood sugar, block nutrient absorption, and upset your gut. You're about to discover the 5 most dangerous chia soaking mistakes and how to fix them before they harm your health. Mistake number 1, incorrect soaking time. Pay close attention. This part could save you from serious digestive distress. Soaking chia seeds might seem simple, but doing it wrong can quietly wreak havoc on your health. Here's the hard truth. If you soak chia seeds for less than 10 minutes, you're setting yourself up for bloating, stomach cramps, and even intestinal blockage. Why? Because those tiny seeds haven't fully absorbed water. Instead, they swell inside your gut, pulling moisture from your system, causing discomfort, and potentially leading to a dangerous impaction, especially in older adults. Now, on the flip side, soaking chia seeds for too long, more than 24 hours, introduces another risk: over-fermentation. This process not only gives chia a bitter, sour taste and slimy texture, but it can also reduce nutritional value and create the perfect environment for harmful bacterial growth. That's not nutrition, that's spoilage. So, what's the scientifically safe and effective window? Between 15 to 30 minutes in warm or room temperature filtered water. That's when chia seeds form a complete mucilage layer, a gel-like coating that protects your gut, slows glucose absorption, and supports smoother digestion. One critical tip: stir your chia seeds once during the soaking process. It helps prevent clumps and ensures each seed hydrates fully and evenly.
Mistake number 2, soaking chia seeds in cold water. If you're soaking your chia seeds in cold water, stop. This one simple mistake could be limiting their nutritional value and quietly straining your digestion. Here's why. Cold water dramatically slows the hydration process. Chia seeds are meant to absorb liquid and form a gel-like coating known as mucilage. This gel protects your digestive lining, slows sugar absorption, and helps unlock vital nutrients. But in cold water, this transformation can take hours, and even then, it may not complete properly. The consequences? Poor gel formation means undigested seeds, less fiber activation, reduced omega-3 bioavailability, and increased risk of stomach discomfort or constipation, especially in older adults whose digestion may already be compromised. But there's more. When chia is soaked in warm or room temperature water, enzymes that naturally reduce phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that blocks mineral absorption, become more active. That means your body can better absorb key minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc. Here's the fix. Always use room temperature or slightly warm filtered water, never boiling, but warm enough to activate hydration and enzyme activity. And here's a powerful upgrade. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Why? Because vitamin C boosts the absorption of iron and zinc, nutrients many people over 50 are already low on. Don't let something as simple as cold water sabotage your superfood. Get the temperature right and let chia seeds actually work for your health, not against it.
Mistake number 3, using the wrong liquid to soak chia seeds. You may be soaking your chia seeds daily, but the liquid you're using could be silently harming your health. Most people think any fluid will do, but the wrong choice can completely backfire, spiking blood sugar, blocking nutrient absorption, and even damaging your gut. Here's the danger. If you're using sweetened fruit juices, even those that seem natural, you're loading your body with unnecessary sugars. That leads to rapid blood sugar spikes, insulin resistance, and fat storage, especially dangerous for anyone managing diabetes, prediabetes, or weight. Using dairy milk? That's another problem.
The calcium in milk binds with iron and magnesium, two critical minerals your body needs from chia. This interference can leave you nutrient deficient even if you're eating all the right foods. Artificial sweeteners are no safer. They disrupt gut microbiota, increase sugar cravings, and weaken digestion over time. Here's the right way to do it. Choose warm filtered water. It's clean, neutral, and highly effective. Or try unsweetened almond milk, coconut water, or herbal teas like ginger, chamomile, or fennel, which add digestive support. Want a bonus boost? Add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, rich in trace minerals and excellent for restoring electrolyte balance, especially after exercise or hot weather. Remember, the liquid you choose doesn't just hydrate the seeds, it determines how your body responds. Don't sabotage chia's powerful benefits with the wrong base. Choose wisely, your digestion and energy depend on it. Mistake number 4, not rinsing chia seeds. Here's a critical step most people skip, and it's costing them essential nutrients every single day. If you're soaking chia seeds straight from the bag without rinsing them first, you may be quietly building up a serious nutritional problem. Why? Because chia seeds contain phytic acid, a naturally occurring compound found in many seeds and grains. While it's not toxic, it acts as an anti-nutrient, meaning it binds to essential minerals like iron, zinc, and magnesium and prevents your body from absorbing them. Now imagine this. You're consuming chia seeds daily, thinking you're boosting your health. But without rinsing them, you're potentially blocking your own mineral intake over time, increasing your risk of fatigue, weakened immunity, muscle cramps, and even bone loss, especially if you're over 50 when mineral absorption becomes more critical. The fix is simple but powerful. Before soaking, place your dry chia seeds in a fine mesh strainer and rinse them under warm running water for 30 seconds. This small step can significantly reduce phytic acid content and improve the bioavailability of key nutrients. Scientific studies confirm that rinsing and soaking seeds helps lower anti-nutrient levels, allowing your body to actually use the minerals you're consuming, not just pass them through unused. Don't let this tiny oversight sabotage your nutrition. Take 30 seconds to rinse and unlock the true power of chia seeds. It's one of the simplest, smartest upgrades you could make to your health routine today. Mistake number 5, improper storage after soaking chia seeds. You soaked your chia seeds perfectly, but how you store them could silently undo all the benefits. This is where many people go wrong, turning a nutrient-rich superfood into a hidden health hazard. The first mistake? Using plastic containers. When warm, moist chia seeds are stored in plastic, especially cheap or older plastic, you risk exposure to BPA and microplastics. These harmful compounds can leach into your food, disrupting hormones, affecting gut health, and even increasing long-term cancer risk. It's a slow, invisible threat, and it starts in your refrigerator. The second problem is batch size. Storing large portions of soaked chia for several days invites mold, nutrient degradation, and bacterial growth. You may notice an off smell, a sour taste, or worse, nothing at all until your digestion starts to suffer. And if you're pre-mixing in fruits like berries or bananas, that's another red flag. The natural sugars in fruit break down quickly in moist environments, fueling rapid microbial growth and speeding up spoilage. The solution is clear and simple. Use glass jars with tight-fitting lids. They're non-reactive, safe, and airtight. Store only 1 to 2 servings at a time. Keep soaked chia in the refrigerator for no more than 3 days. Always add fresh fruit only right before eating. Don't let poor storage practices sabotage your health. Smart preparation must be followed by smart preservation. That's how you protect your body and get the full benefit of every spoonful. Health benefits of chia seeds when prepared the right way. When you prepare chia seeds the right way, the results can be remarkable, far beyond what most people realize. This isn't just about soaking seeds in water. It's about unlocking a nutritional powerhouse that your body can actually use and feel. First, you'll absorb more of what matters. When soaked properly, chia's gel layer improves the absorption of essential minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium, along with omega-3 fatty fats critical for brain, heart, and joint health, especially as we age. You'll also feel the difference in your gut. Reduced bloating, gas, and indigestion are among the first signs that chia's fiber is working the way it should, soothing your digestive tract instead of stressing it. Blood sugar stays more stable thanks to that same gel slowing carbohydrate breakdown. The result? Fewer spikes, fewer crashes, and a more even, reliable stream of energy throughout your day. And it shows. More energy, clearer mental focus, and even healthier looking skin as your hydration and nutrient levels begin to rebalance. For active seniors or anyone feeling depleted, properly soaked chia can help restore electrolyte balance, especially when combined with a pinch of Himalayan salt or mineral-rich liquids like coconut water. But here's the real truth. It's not just what you eat, it's what your body can use that truly matters. Get the soaking right, and these tiny seeds can deliver massive health returns, safely, naturally, and powerfully. Have you made any of these mistakes before? How do you usually prepare your chia seeds? Do you soak them in water, blend them into smoothies, or stir them into puddings? We want to hear from you. Drop your method in the comments, and let's build a community of health-conscious learners sharing tips and real results. If this video helped you avoid a health mistake, please like and share it with someone who needs to see it. And don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense, science-backed health advice. Tap the bell so you never miss the truth behind what you eat and how it affects your body. Remember, your health deserves clarity, not confusion.